Hey guys, Dirk Burrowes of Classic Drive Television. It's day 27 on the Peking to Paris rally. We're in St. Petersburg. Today we're going to rally to the border and we're going to be driving to Helsinki, Finland. So it's going to be a relatively short day, about 440 kilometers. As you know from the earlier blogs, we've had our last service at the third fit service station in Russia, so we're thinking we're ready to rock and roll. Car's in good condition, and we're looking forward to Paris. So let's take a look around the parking lot, seeing the other competitors get ready to go, and we'll follow it along. Check it out. I like that, a Ferrari on this run. Now that's not a Porsche you see every day, huh? Well, I got the feeling it's going to be a great day, so we'll let you know how it goes. Keep watching us at Classic Drive Television. I'm Dirk Burrowes with Nick Grewal from Vintage Racing Stables. There's a lot more to come before day 36 in Paris. Talk to you soon. All right, so we made it to the Russian-Finnish border. We're about to go through customs and then the passport control, and then we'll be into Finland and out of Russia. So we've, since China, we're on day 27. We are 2/3 of the way through, so nearly 9,000 kilometers have been traveled. Lots happened. We told you about it. More's coming. Nick and I are excited that now we're going to be in Europe. It's a whole different race. Take a look. Hey, it's day 27 and we've finished in Finland. We've arrived at the hotel and look at the festivities they've put on for us. We even have a Peking to Paris fan club and a counter for it to boot. Tomorrow's going to be a day where we're going over a ferry. We'll catch you on that. We'll take a look and talk to some people while we're here tonight, and it's pretty neat. It's pretty cool that just about every country we've been to, they love us. Take a look at this Peking to Paris fan club. We've come out in droves, food, fun, cameras, sun. Here in Finland, we're loving it. We'll talk to you real soon. I'm Dirk Burrowes of Classic Drive Television, here with Nick Grewal from Vintage Racing Stables. We're driving car 31 in Peking to Paris 2019.
We are in Hyvinkää, Finland. This is Peking to Paris fan club, and you're watching Classic Drive Television.
Go ahead. Don't hold it.
No, I know that. I just you want to look at it, please.
Good morning, gentlemen.
Morning, 809. Go.
Hey, good luck to you.
in Helsinki, Finland, and it turns out all the cars that can't float to Estonia need to take a ferry. So that means pretty much every car is in line here. Take a look. We're getting ready to load onto the ship. We got about a 2-hour sail to Tallinn. That's where we're going. We're going to be there for the night. And then tomorrow we're off on our drive towards Paris. So when we get on the ship, I'll show you what it's like. It's pretty cool. And we'll talk to you once we're there. See you in a bit.
Here, John, get it!